Hello, my name is Bran. Welcome to my channel and Plant Mom AF over here. You know how it is. Anyways, I wanted to say I am a manifestation coach and I help women step into their dream reality, whether that's, getting more serious about their money situation, changing careers, calling in the relationship of their dreams, really just understanding that their desires are theirs for a reason and being able to step into those, believe in their ability to be the best versions of themselves. Know that they can have this dream life and wake up every single day wondering, how the heck is it possible for me to have the very best of the very best? And it's 100% possible for you. The factor is believing in yourself. The factor is knowing that you can achieve this and not putting a time limit on your goals. Knowing it's 100% possible for you if you believe in yourself and if you never give up, you will have your dream life. You will have everything you want in your life and it will be 100% fantastic and you will be happy along the way getting there. So if that sounds like something you can connect with, definitely go ahead and subscribe to my channel and give me a little bell to be notified when I post a new video. And I am so excited to have you here. You can find me on Instagram at Bran and can't wait to talk more.